In this tutorial, you will learn how easy it is to set up the distance sensor DT80. With its optical time of flight measurement, the DT80 can measure distances up to 80 meters on natural targets. From measuring coil diameters to positioning cranes, the DT80 finds applications in a diverse range of tasks. For installing the DT80, you can conveniently reuse the existing mounting equipment of DX50 and DX50-2. In this tutorial, we're using a SICK 350, but you also have the option to use any other IO-Link master. To establish an IO-Link connection, simply plug the DT80's M12 connector into the IO-Link master. As soon as you connect the device to a power supply, it's ready to operate. The power LED turns green and you see the distance value on the display. The data connection LED flashes green as soon as a communication is successfully established. The remaining two LEDs indicate the status of the switching outputs Q1 and Q2. On the DT80's home screen, you have the ability to navigate through 4 different displays. By pressing the down button, you can easily transition to the next screen. This bar graph represents the strength of the received signal. On the third display, you can observe the internal device temperature. The final display presents the operating hours of the device. To swiftly showcase the remarkable accuracy of the DT80, let's attempt to detect this carton with a thickness of 2 mm. To ensure the utmost precision in the DT80's measurements, we will use the Quick Setup. For that, we'll navigate to the main menu by pressing the checkmark button. The Quick Setup option is indicated by the rocket icon. Pressing the checkmark button again will direct us into its menu. Within the Quick Setup, the DT80 provides 3 modes: accuracy, speed, and distance. Based on the selected mode, the measurement cycle time will be adapted. To change from factory setting speed to accuracy mode, select with the checkmark button and confirm again. To get back to the home screen, press the X button. Now let's go out and test the DT80. In this scenario, we are pointing at a white target positioned at a distance of 10 meters. As I place the carton in front of the wall, the distance value decreases by its thickness of 2 mm. We got the DT80 up and running in no time, explored the home screens, and delved into the Quick Setup. As the DT80 presents a wide range of opportunities, we'll be exploring more of its functions in our next video. So stay tuned for more.